Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Today I have the latest model from Be Quiet, available in white and black color. The Light Base 900FX is a premium PC case that combines cutting-edge aesthetics with performance-oriented features. Known for its quiet operation and ARGB lighting, it is designed for high-performance builds while keeping components cool and organized. With its swivel fit, you can turn the PC case around in literally seconds. You can also choose a horizontal layout, which is just as quick whatever layout your gaming room requires. Large front and side panels allows you to see your PC components at work and are easy to remove. Same and at the back, you can remove the mesh panel with these two screws. With a removable magnetic dust filter, it can be cleaned and reinstalled in seconds. You can remove the mesh top panel and then the dust filter if you want to clean it after a long gaming session. You can remove the bottom fan and radiator bracket for your convenience to install 120 or 140 mm fan or radiator from 120 to 420 mm, the same and the top bracket. The detachable radiator and fan brackets in the top and bottom makes installation of your cooling setup very easy. At the bottom you can remove the mesh panel and then the dust filter if you want to clean it. PCIe slots can be removed and placed in vertical or horizontal layout for your graphics card. At the back are the motherboard's I/O shield, the fan outlet and the power supply unit. One foam component for HDD, 12 cable ties, 8 screws for SSD, 1 standoff for motherboard, 1 standoff tool and 13 screws for power supply unit and motherboard. 3 light wings 140 mm PWM wide fans with reversed fan blades are pre-installed on the side mounting. You can remove the cable management cover and install 4 2.5-inch drives, HDD or SSD. Plenty of cable management at the back. I like the Velcro with the Be Quiet logo, so convenient to open and close when you need to add or remove a cable. We have in these cables, one Type-C connector for the motherboard, SATA power connector for the ARGB hub, HD audio cable, fan connection for ARGB hub, front panel connector for the motherboard, RGB lighting connection for ARGB hub, and USB 3 connector for the motherboard. The motherboard tray fully supports backside connector designs such as Asus Back to Future, MSI Project Zero and Gigabyte Project Stealth for a true and cable-free view with soft and delicate silicone covers. Here you can install the power supply unit, and on the case we have silicone pads for smooth installation and anti-vibration. You can install max two 3.5-inch HDDs with this HDD gauge. Remove and install the drive. For the second drive you need to remove the bracket that holds both HDDs. I was hoping to have a second HDD gauge and it only has one. Here is the ARGB hub. You can connect 6 PWM fan cables and 6 ARGB cables, together with the 3 long strip consisting of 172 LEDs on this case. Same thing, and on the top of the case another ARGB hub. 12 fan cables and 12 ARGB cables in total. You can loosen this screw because the case has a flexible VGA bracket that subtly prevents your graphics card from sagging, and it works in any orientation with a horizontally or vertically mounted card. Comes with 4 pre-installed light wings fans, 3 light wings 140mm PWM wide fans with reversed fan blades are pre-installed on the side panel. The reversed fans ensures that your system is still an eye catcher when installed as a side intake. One fan is installed as rear exhaust. We have the power button, ARGB controller, one USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C, 2 USB 3.2 Type-A, HD audio combined, and the reset button. The 3 120mm light wings LX high-speed fans offers high airflow with 9 optimized fan blades, ensuring effective cooling in high-performance setups. To install the drive we need to pull these 2 levers, left and right, silicone pads, they will hold the drive very well, and then I need to install the drive. Alignment, that was so easy. And then I need the bracket. The bracket goes this way, so we need to install the gauge inside the bracket. And of course, if you want, you can install a second gauge, black color, from my other case. Thoughtfully designed cable routing channels and Velcro straps help keep cables organized and out of sight, contributing to better airflow and neat build aesthetic. A full-size tempered glass side panel showcases the interior, allowing you to display your hardware and RGB lighting setup without obstructing the view. The Lightbase 900FX features advanced addressable RGB lighting that can be fully customized. The RGB elements are integrated throughout the case, including front, top and bottom panels, adding vibrant accent to the overall look. It's compatible with popular lighting software for synchronization with other RGB components. The tempered glass side and front panel has a premium look and structural strength. It's scratch resistant and well fitted, with tool-free mounting for easy access. The Lightbase is a premium full tower PC case that combines superior build quality, optimal airflow and RGB customization to suit high-performance setups. With the ARGB controller you can change the lighting effects, or hold the button for 3 seconds to synchronize ARGB with the lighting software. You can even switch off the lights by holding the button for 5 seconds. The front I/O port has an aluminum finish look that's both aesthetically pleasing and functional. The build quality of the case is a step ahead, giving the user the feel of a premium full tower PC case. It's made from high quality steel, giving it a strong, durable frame. The steel side panels are heavy duty and help reduce vibration, contributing to quieter operation. The benefits are many. It is ideal for users looking for high performance without excessive noise. Extensive RGB customization makes it perfect for gaming or showcase setups. Supports extensive cooling setups for both air and liquid cooling enthusiasts. Can accommodate large GPUs, radiators and other high performance components. The Be Quiet Lightbase 900FX is a robust, high-performance case with enhanced RGB, top-tier noise reduction and versatile cooling options. It is ideal for anyone who wants a powerful PC setup without sacrificing aesthetics or quiet operation, making it a standout choice for gaming and high-performance workstations. If this review helped you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more PC gear reviews, build tips and tech inspirations. Thanks for watching and as always, stay cool, stay quiet and I'll catch you in the next video.